Hi there, students. In this video we're going to look at the word fold. So the first meaning is to bend something so that one part of it covers another part of it. To fold a piece of paper, for example. We have a second meaning of fold, meaning an enclosure or a pen, a closed area, normally outside, maybe inside, where you can put animals. And we also can use this word fold as a suffix, meaning times. So he's increased his it has increased its value tenfold. So with that, all you need to do is to put fold after a number. Okay, so fold. So let's look at this first one with the idea of folding paper. Yeah, you could fold, meaning to make something compact by doubling or bending it over, putting it together. So where you could fold your clothes and put them in the cupboard. Yeah, do you always fold your clothes when you go to bed? Maybe not. Or you could also have, for example, a folding chair. You know, one of these chairs that's collapsible. We can also use this word fold to mean to move from an extended position to a closed position. So, for example, the bird landed on the bird table and then it folded its wings. So its wings were extended and it folded its wings into its body, yeah? Or perhaps you could fold your arms, yeah? So from an extended position to a closed position. We also use this word fold in cooking, meaning to blend gently. So, for example, you need to fold the sugar into the mixture of eggs and milk, okay? So to stir or to fold over, very gently mix something in, not to beat it, but very gently. Notice as well, a business can fold, to go bankrupt. I think this idea of fold has the idea of it's no longer rigid. It's no longer sustaining itself. And I don't know if you've ever played poker, but maybe if you resign, you don't want to continue playing a certain hand, you fold, yeah? So are you going to bet or are you going to fold? No, I fold, I resign. Okay, now this word comes from a Germanic origin, falden, meaning to fold, as I'm doing here. Okay, the second meaning that we saw with fold was an enclosure for sheep, or for animals, yeah, but we can also use it as to mean a flock of sheep, and then we use that metaphorically to mean a group of people. So welcome to the fold, welcome to this group of people. The EU recently left Europe. I know you all know a little bit about that. With Brexit, and I think there are many Europeans that are hoping the UK will come back into the fold it will come back into the group. Yeah? So the fold, the group of people. Or maybe you join a club and somebody says, welcome to the fold, welcome to the group. Okay, now this meaning of fold comes from Old English, fallod, a stall. And now we have the final one, the suffix. And this was what gave me the idea originally to make this video. To increase times, threefold, 3 times, 100-fold, 1,000-fold. Yeah? So multiplied by. Now the next question, formality. So to fold a piece of paper, this is quite not informal, it's quite neutral. You could use it informally, you could use it in a formal writing. Yeah, to fold your arms, you could use that almost anywhere. This fold for sheep, the enclosure for sheep, I think sounds a bit old-fashioned, and maybe a little bit formal. I'd probably give it a 6. I don't think I would use this type of fold in an informal conversation. I think I would use welcome to the group, or welcome to the herd, or the group, or whatever. And then this last one, 100-fold, 1,000-fold. This again sounds old-fashioned, and I think is rather formal. I'd probably give it a 7 in formality. I think I'd stick to using this in an essay or something like that. Although I guess you could use it in a formal document. I think in an informal conversation in the pub, I would use times. It's increased 7 times, not it's increased 7-fold. Well, that would be writing. And notice as well, to fold is a regular verb. Okay? So, you fold a piece of paper. A fold, an enclosure for animals. And then fold, multiplied by 10-fold, 20-fold, 100-fold. So, to fold, the art of paper folding. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.